Hi, this is Brad Thompson. I'm one of the instructional designers with CCIT. I just want to take a couple minutes to get us started with this QAR assignment. So this assignment regards the Quality Assurance Rubric. It's one of the tools that we use to assess courses that are being developed for distance education. So for this assignment, the first thing you need to do is kind of get familiar with the actual QAR tool. That's right here. This is kind of an abridged version of what CCIT uses, the QAR template. And this is just a paper pencil document for you to kind of take a look at and to use this to kind of take notes as you're going through. This is also the scoring rubric. So you're going to end up submitting this form online, but this is kind of what you can use as a checklist as you go through your course that you're evaluating. And you can see the categories that we're going to take a look at here: course foundation, assessments, instruction, and overall student experience. So this is what you're going to kind of use to get started to evaluate your course. Once you've done that and you've kind of graded each area with the rubric in one of those 4 categories: exemplary, satisfactory, area improvement, or significant issue, you're going to go ahead and submit the results of that. And that's the same thing that we do here at CCIT. We have an online form that we go through and submit the results. And from that, we can generate a report that we use to kind of have a discussion with that course designer. And the way that you're going to submit your results is just right down here through a survey. Complete the Quality Assurance Rubric form, and that's going to look like this. And it's just going to go through and ask you to enter in the scores from that rubric. And now you'll see, after each category, you'll see something called an action plan. Any of the categories that don't meet exemplary or satisfactory, that is, anything that's rated that it needs improvement or that it's an issue, you need to come up with some kind of action plan. And really what that is describing what the issue is and then discussing how it can be fixed. Just really a plan that you can sit down with the instructor and say, here's what we noticed, and here's maybe a way that we can kind of improve this so that we can meet Delaware Tech standards for distance education. So anything that doesn't meet exemplary or satisfactory, you're going to go ahead and develop a brief action plan. It's really a good way to start that conversation. Once that's submitted, the last thing you need to do for this assignment is to write up a reflection. And what that reflection is for us here, it's really just a summary of the experience. What did you personally get out of this experience as you were using this rubric? Did you find it effective? Did you think that it was a good way to represent the standards for distance education, as well as some of your results? What did you find from this evaluation? And you will be submitting the reflection by clicking this link of the assignment. So again, there's 3 things you need for this. You need the template, you need to submit the results of your evaluation with the online survey, and then you'll submit your reflection. And that's about it. Let us know if there's any questions throughout the process.